In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the ChatGPT extension for writing Gmail emails step by step, so you can start drafting faster and make your email workflow much easier. This is a great setup if you want help writing replies, polishing your wording, or speeding up everyday email tasks right inside Gmail. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use. Once Gmail loads, look for the plus icon to add an extension. Click on the plus and that will take you to the Chrome Web Store or the extension install page inside your browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT so you can find the correct extension quickly. When the results appear, look for ChatGPT for Gmail TM and click on it. Make sure you choose the right extension, especially if there are similar names, so you're installing the one designed to work with Gmail. On the extension page, click the button that highlights the Install or Add option, and then review the permissions carefully. This step is important because the extension needs access to Gmail in order to help you write emails directly inside your inbox. After you click Continue, your browser may ask you to confirm the installation again. Go ahead and continue through the prompts. If a security or permission screen appears, read it carefully and approve it only if you're comfortable with the access being requested. Once that is done, the extension will begin connecting to your Gmail account. Next, you may see a setup or onboarding screen. Click Next to move through the setup steps. This usually finishes the connection process and prepares the extension for use inside Gmail. Depending on your browser settings, you may need to refresh Gmail after the installation so the extension appears properly in your inbox. When the setup is complete, click Done. At this point, the ChatGPT extension should be connected and ready to help you write emails in Gmail. You can now open a new message or reply to an email and use the extension's writing features to generate replies, improve tone, or draft messages faster than typing from scratch. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page, checking your browser extensions, or making sure the extension is pinned and enabled. Sometimes browser permissions need one extra step, so it's always worth double-checking if something doesn't appear immediately. And that's it. You've successfully connected the ChatGPT extension for writing Gmail emails. Now you can save time, write more polished messages, and make your email workflow a lot smoother. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.